Hello everybody, this is Mr. Keele. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create your very own Get Epic account. Now during school hours, this website is completely free to you, and I really encourage you to check it out. It's got a lot of cool resources. As you can tell, there's plenty of books, there's ebooks, and you can even have it read aloud to you. So let's get started right now. So, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and go to Google. Once you're here, right here, I want you to type in the name of the website, Get Epic. So go ahead, once you type that in, you'll see a bunch of search results. I want you to find the one that looks just like this. I'm going to put that in a red box. Do you see that? Go ahead and click on that link. When you click on it, it should take you to this page. Now, of course, you're going to click on, I'm a kid. When you get to this page, since we're doing this during school hours, I want you to click on the button right there. School. Log in with your class code. Now, your teacher or the librarian should have given you a class code for Get Epic. Go ahead, I want you to type that in right there. So now that you've entered your class code, you should be able to see your class. As you can see, there are many other students in here, and they're listed alphabetically. So I'm going to need you to find your name. In this example, I'm going to use the student Adam. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to find Adam. There we go. And go ahead and click on it. Once you've done that, congratulations. You have now completed your account, and you can go exploring.